Hello guys, I'm Meghna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review The Old Guard, which is currently streaming on Netflix. The Old Guard, directed by Gina Prince Bythewood, is an action fantasy comic book series written by Greg Rucka. Old Guard follows the story of a squad of missionaries led by an enigmatic warrior Andy, a character played by Charlize Theron. The squad is a group of immortal beings whose injuries heal themselves within minutes, and every time they are killed, they quickly return back to life. But things change when American Marine Nile, played by Kiki Lani, dies and comes back to life. Missionaries are forced to take the newcomer under their wings. Several times, the camera lingers around their face to show the sadness or the melancholy they contemplate. The film sits patiently on these moments where they are sad so that they could actually show the importance of their emotions throughout the film. All this while, there is a greedy pharmaceutical dude bro, Merrick, plans to capture these immortals for his own gain. But like every story has a turning point, so this story also has a turning point where you can say that these people, even though they are immortal in a way, they still can die. So they have this span. They have this span which is not clearly mentioned in the story. Why are they selected, or why are they being given this curse or this blessing of being immortal? But there is a scene where you will know how much they are suffering, because throughout the movie there are scenes which goes very slow, and there are stories from their life which are narrated to the audience, which shows that they are not very much happy for being immortal so long.
And they also try to explain this newcomer, this new recruit in the movie called Nile. So they want to try to explain her that why she shouldn't go back to her family, or because it's very sad that you will stay of the same age, you will stay the same, and your family will actually become old. If I want to summarize my review in very short thing, I will say it's a beautiful concept. A very refreshing concept. It's a combination of few concepts and made a great concept out of it. But somewhere the storyline also goes up and down, so somewhere it's very slow because they are always sad. Action was amazing. You will love it. Acting wise, everyone has done a brilliant job. She has done a brilliant job. Her acting was throughout. I'm talking about Charlize Theron, who is in the character of Andy. She is amazing. Her action scenes were amazing, her dialogues were amazing, her expression was very sad but yet amazing, and yeah, her attitude, her body language was amazing. All the other characters did a brilliant job. Our villain also was great. Yeah, a cute villain. So definitely one more point to it, if The Old Guard would have been released on a big parda, no one would have gone. You can obviously Netflix this film. It's a one-time watch film, and you should obviously give it a try because the concept is amazing, the story flows amazingly, the cinematography or the choreography of the action scenes are amazing. It were amazing, and yeah, give it a try. If you really like my review, do go and watch the movie, and do share in the comment below which movie you would like me to share next. Bye.